Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a dynamic video through Mailchimp. Okay, so I'm already inside here of my campaign, and if you do not know how to create a campaign, no worries. I'll simply leave a link below so you can actually see properly each step that involves creating a campaign. But since that has been covered through another video, what I'll do simply is show you how to directly work with the code here that we get from this button right here, share campaign, into MailChimp. Okay, so we simply need to type it right here, make a single click on MailChimp, and let me actually go back. I want to explain something. So there's a CSV file with all the contacts that I have there uploaded here, and the video has already been processed. That's why we're seeing this section, and the videos have been processed correctly, as you can see. Each time that I click on any of them, I'll get the background URL that I selected. In this case, these are just contacts that I created to make tests, and I select the same background. But of course, you can just change that for every single customer, okay, that you have. You'll need to use, of course, the URL that belongs to each customer. So knowing that that has been covered correctly, now I can go and copy the code, of course. Now I can go to MailChimp here, and I'm already inside of the step where you need to create or to build the email. So this is the template that I selected. So the good thing about Mailchimp is that they allow you to build up the email this way. You just simply grab a block and drop it right there. So that's what I'll do. And let me show that again. Code is the one that I need to grab and drop. You can make a click here. You'll have this little picture, little section to, of course, paste the code. Okay, so once you do that, and you'll notice that what you're seeing here is not actually the bubble with the background on the back, of course, on the back. So you're not seeing that, you're actually seeing the main video here, which is actually fine. So that is because in this step, you won't see the dynamic video actually working. So you will see that once the email is delivered correctly. And if you're actually not confident about this, no worries. I'll, of course, encourage you to make a test on your own email. But in this case, let me just go ahead and do it myself so I can show you how it works. Okay. So I'm going to simply click here, send a test email, and I'll put, well, my own email, of course, send a test. And I already did this. That's why I have everything covered here. So let me show you right away how it looks like. So this is the email that I got. And as you can see, there's the background. Everything is done automatically. There's no work involved. You can do this for 1,000 customers, prospects, and it will actually save you a lot of time. So this is a great tool to use. So hopefully everything was very clear. Otherwise, please let me know. Dan here from Tech Support. Have a great day. Bye bye.